My dear student, how are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Allah, and I am also well. Most welcome to our online class behalf of Najmun Girls High School. I am Najmun Nahar Shova, Assistant Teacher English. Today I would like to tell about rearrange for class 9 and 10. Yes student, today's topic is easy type of rearranging making. So I know that at present, when this type question come in the examination, most of the students have to face many problems. They can't understand how will be right answer and how will be get full marks, etc., etc. So don't worry student, today I want to say easy types rearranging for class 9 and 10. At first we will know how many kinds of rearranging making sentence come in your examination. So we can see there are three types rearrange making sentence come in your examination. So also I have written here in board. You can see one number, personal life and autobiography. Personal life and autobiography, and most of the time we can say popular personal lives come in your examination, such as Kazi Nazrul Islam, Rabindranath Thakur, John Abraham Lincoln, Dr. Yunus, Toymor, etc. And this type question, this types rearranging making sentence come in your examination. Okay, next we can say moral story. And this type question, this type rearranging making sentence come also in your examination. Otherwise, we came to know moral story from childhood. Otherwise, such as once upon a time, long ago, once, and this type phrase starts this line. So one of them total moral story and popular moral story, we can say as I say moral story, you will remind you such as two friends and a bear, a greedy farmer, etc. And there is no technique, so you have to know about moral story properly. If you don't know properly moral story, so it can be very dangerous and very difficult for you. So you must know about moral story. Okay, and then next we can see special any incident and subject, and these types rearranging making sentence also come in your examination, such as dowry system, deforestation, and digitalization of Bangladesh, and this type of rearranging making sentence will come in your examination. So we can see three types on we have known the three types rearranging making sentence come in your examination, and in them most important, very important, personal life and autobiography in your question, and this type of question will come in your examination. Okay, and again we have seen this type of question has come in your examination. You can also you can see in your board question also. Okay, I have seen also board question here, personal life and autobiography, and this type rearranging making question come in your examination. So now we will discuss this type question. Okay, at first we will know about rules of autobiography. Here you can see, here has given rules of autobiography. At first you must follow. Okay, then when you will see your question jumble sentence has given, then you will find out at first introduce of person, like this. All of you have the name of etc. has given it can be Kazi Nazrul Islam, Rabindranath Thakur, Robert Bosch, etc. So at first line you will find out introduce of person, like this. Okay, then we will find out date of birth, then introduce of parents, then childhood, then educational qualification, then special poetry and story. You know that every popular person has written poetry, story, song, etc., etc. So you will find out sentence, special poetry and story, song. Then we will set up this rearrange. Okay. Then 7 number has given prize. Besides, we know that every person will get Nobel Prize, so you will find out prize. 8 number death. Finally, you will find out death. Okay, and death last line. And 8 types of rearrange you can get in your examination. Okay, and sequence just will know. Now answer. How will write your answer in your examination? So like this. Suppose B number. Suppose B number at first will sit. Then F. Then A. Then C. Like this you will write down properly. Okay. And after writing you must write down whole story like a paragraph. Okay. Then different types you have write down like this. At first you draw a box, and most of the students also like this. Okay. You write down 1, 2, 3, 4. Here suppose B, E, F, A. Like this you will set up your rearrange. Okay. After writing you must write down whole story and like a paragraph. If you don't like whole story write down, so maybe you cannot good marks. Okay, all of you, up to this, I hope you can understand today's lesson and try to practice at your home. Finally, you are well and safe. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.